The louvers are held in place by these little tabs. Okay? There's 3 louvers. 1, 2, 3. The rear louver is different than the front 2 louvers. You notice that it's flat on the back. That's so it can sit up snugly on the back of the rolling table. So to put them in place, you just set them on the vanes, let it slide down until it snaps into place. The center and the front louvers are identical. So the center and the front louver are interchangeable. They both have an angle, unlike the back, which is flat. And again, to install, merely sit it on top of the vanes, the guide vanes, and press until it snaps.